Hello everybody, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines. Well, except for I'm in New Orleans. But Irene is in the Philippines, so catch some of her videos. Give us a like, and if you like our videos, subscribe please. But anyway, today, we're going to be working on the Mercedes and making some videos. And I ordered the parts that I needed and put inside these two boxes, so we're going to do an unboxing. What I had to order was, well, let's start with what my problem is. My problem is I got a cylinder misfired. So it's either the coil or the spark plugs, because there's two spark plugs on each cylinder. Not like a Chevrolet and nothing, the Mercedes has got two. So that's 16 spark plugs. So that's what I had to order. But we're going to change the wires, the plug, and the coil packs. My number 7 cylinder is misfired, so this is the first thing to do. And hopefully this solves my problem. Alright. So this is a coil pack. This is a coil pack, and it's got 8 of these. There's 2 wires for the 2 spark plugs on each cylinder. There's 1 coil pack for each cylinder, so that's 8 coil packs, right? So that's what that is. And then I've got the spark plugs. The MGK, the good spark plug. That's 4, 8, 12, 16. And 2 coil packs. But I need, what, 8 coil packs, right? So hopefully the other box has got 6 coil packs in. We're about to find out. Here's the other box. As it says, this is a set, do not separate. Alright, so yeah, we got 6 coil packs in here. So there's another coil pack. And there's not no particular one for each cylinder. Coil pack is a coil pack. So that's that. And then some of this stuff out of y'all's way. One box comes from Amazon, one box comes from Coils. Try to remember which was which. This was from Coils. That was from Amazon. And I've got a filter. This has got a different kind of filter on it. It's an internal filter, and it's got 4 little gaskets in there. We're not going to do that job today, but since I was ordering and I was right there, I went ahead and just ordered the oil filter. And then here's the wires. 7mm, I believe. Not telling me. I was worried there for a minute. 'Cause I hadn't opened these boxes, you know. I wanted to wait for y'all. And I noticed on the box it said use the longest wire first, right? And it's talking about Asian and domestic applications. Well, this is a German vehicle. So I was kind of hell no, you know. But it appears to have the right ones in it. It also said use the longest one first. Now in the old days we took them one at a time, at least I did. And you know, use the longest wire and go from there. What's the way to the shortest? It appears that they got the right one, and they do. And they're all the same length. So it just runs straight down from the coil pack to the two spark plugs. It's right above the cylinder head. Alright, so we're good. We're gonna go over and work on the car, just over here. And got the hood all the way up. I'm gonna give you a little video showing you how to get that hood up. Gives you real good access to the whole engine right there, and we need that because we're taking 16 spark plugs out, some are in the back. So we'll be back to you.